The Gobat family has offered a reward for information leading to the arrest of the person or persons involved in the death of hotelier Oliver Gobat. He was found in his burnt-out SUV in a remote part of Kappa State in April this year.
You want to go to walk? You want to go to walk? Come on. You want to go to walk? We can go to walk, okay?
Big up the country squad and the country people them all over the world. You are now tuned in to the most monitored vlog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. This right here is the Cap Mason Resort in St. Lucia. Now this is the picture perfect resort, you know, where rich tourists, them have stunning view and all of that. 5-star resort, okay? But check this out. In 2014, something went terribly wrong with one of the owners. You have the young man by the name of Oliver Gobat. He was 38 years old. Successful businessman, you know. White guy, was born in St. Lucia because his family came from England to St. Lucia. He was found shot and burnt in his car. And what happened next? Well, that's where things get very, very interesting. The invisible investigation.
That people need to be patient with investigations, and we are doing a lot of work in that matter, and a number of times you find leads, you follow leads, and it gets to some sort of a dead end. I've asked the officers to be patient about it, but at the moment they are very actively pursuing the case and pursuing some.
Now we're going to talk about what the police did. As a matter of fact, what the police didn't do. Now, 6 months, that's how long it took just for Oliver family to get his body back to England. Now, basic evidence was compromised. Crime scene investigation was delayed. International help was rejected. And witnesses were barely interviewed. Now, his own family, you know, had to push every day, every single step of the way to get things done. Reality check. Think about this. You have a high-profile murder at one of your islands. Luxurious resort. Tourism, you know, is your main income. You would think solving this would be a priority. The #1 priority, right? Wrong. Now, the Gobat family, this is what they had to do. They had to launch their own investigation. They have to put up their own money for reward. They begged the British police for involvement, you know. Yo, they watch every single lead and connection about the case went cold. They dealt with endless delays, and that family, they're still in St. Lucia, still running the Cap Mason hotel, millionaire family, millionaire people, and they still didn't get any justice. Hold on. Now, this is the truth. Look, we can dance around it if we want to dance around it. But this is the reality we are talking about. Oliver Gobat, he was shot, white boy, shot, then burned in his car. Now, someone had to plan this. Someone knew what they were doing, and someone is getting away with murder. Now, meanwhile, his mother, her name is Ellen, she says it best, and I'm quoting her. I don't think there'll be any closure until some sort of justice. But justice, that seems to be on a permanent island time. Okay? Now, I'm not gonna run up my mouth, you know. I'm gonna close this one real quick. And I'm telling you this. So here's where we are. From 2014, years later, 2024, the beautiful resort is still standing. Enough tourists are come there. Things still going, the family still making money. But guess what? The family, they still want answer. And it seems like this answer might never ever, let me repeat that. It seems like this answer might never come. Well, you know what me I go say? Welcome to paradise, where some of the murders just disappear, along with the invisible investigation.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, we are going to break down this investigation. And may I use that term there very loosely. Now, the first 24 hour, car burning and it was found. Check. Basic forensic. Nah. Secure the scene. Eventually question witness. Maybe tomorrow. Contact international expert. Let's wait a few months. That's how the investigation started in the first 24 hours. Now, you have got a millionaire, hotelier, or businessman murdered on the island. Tourism, is the bread and butter. But they are in no rush, right? Now, the family, like I said earlier, them did have to wait 6 months to get back the body from the morgue, the government. They had to force to hire private investigators. Them pretty much give the British police them a blowjob to make them involved in the St. Lucia thing. That's what the family them did have to do, pretty much. Now, with all of that, the fucking case still sit on the wall. Nothing is done. This kind of bugged me out to blow out. While the Gobat family desperately, pushing for answer, what's happening to the local investigation? It disappeared. Now, all I can hear is tone deaf. It's not funny, it's serious. But the evidence trail, you have burn car, that gone. Crime scene contaminated. Witness statement zero. Security footage, what footage? Now, case files, good luck with that. Yo, this sound like a horror show. And St. Lucia, big time police and the national security minister really sit down and take this and don't tell them police get up off their lazy ass and go and solve this. That's crazy to me. Now, meanwhile, you know, we have to remember this. St. Lucia, a tourism them deal with, and them tourism ad keep rolling. They're telling visitors, come visit paradise. Yeah, paradise with a side of unsolved murders. Not murder, no. Murders. Now, I beg your pardon. Think about this. If Oliver wasn't a big timer, this guy, nobody would have known about him. You understand? Now, this guy, Oliver, his family and him bring millions of dollars of investment into St. Lucia. Them create jobs. You understand? Them pull in whole heap of top class wealthy visitors because they have a 5-star hotel. Yo, them definitely boost the economy. But yet, he was murdered. And this is not the first white man that got murdered in St. Lucia. If you check the stats, more white people get murdered in St. Lucia than any other Caribbean island. And I'm not picking on St. Lucia. Now, me I give you a reality check. You know, ready for this reality check? There is no serious suspect. No significant leads they follow. No real progress in the murder. No justice served. Now, in appearance, them agonizing over it. But at least their business, the resort, is doing great. People are visiting, they're pulling big visitors to the island of St. Lucia. So, St. Lucia should be thankful for that. Now, before I go, I want to say this. The next time you see those beautiful St. Lucia tourism ads, remember, paradise have a dark side, and some people are making damn sure it stays dark. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.